Okay, Adrian.
Yeah?
You want to say something to Omanopa?
Love you guys.
We're having Christmas breakfast and we miss you. Sarah?
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Mom, you didn't do me. Feliz Navidad.
Oh, I love it! Eric?
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry
Lauren,
Christmas.
what are you going to say to Omanopa? We miss
Also,
you.
thank you for the money.
No,
Thank you for the money.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Don.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We're having Christmas breakfast and we miss you all tremendously and we wish you were here. I think I had that sideways actually. And so we just had quite the nice little spread here and maybe when you guys come up we'll pretend it's Christmas and set the table and do it all over again, okay?
Oh, the Panthers.
In the meantime,
The Reds. The Panthers.
Merry
Love you
Christmas. Wait up, say it again.
Love you guys. We love you. We love you.
What did you just say, Kristen?
We love you.
Marco, what did you just tell Omanopa?
Merry Christmas. Mwah.
Merry Christmas.
Feliz Navidad. Sarah, say something specific.
Say something specific, Sarah.
We love you.
What does that mean?
Use the brain. Use it.
Tell us about the meaning, the true meaning of Christmas.
What's it about? We are
Yeah, it is
here.
kind of about my God. But
He could have been born on New Year's Eve.
you know what? I couldn't see Ariane because she wasn't quite in there.
Like,
So
Merry
wait
Christmas.
up. My camera skills aren't that good. You have to wait
No.
for 2 minutes.
Merry Christmas.
What do you want to
Remember
tell
card's
them?
not full?
What are you going to use your $75 for? Ariane?
What?
Any big plans for all that dough, all that money they
All
spent
that
you?
moolah.
Shopping.
And what are you going to shop for? Do you have anything specific in mind?
Acne medicine.
Canadian savings bond.
Oh.
Yeah.
I'm gonna shop for toys.
What's it? Ian wants to tell you what he's going to do with his $75.
right.
Ian te va a decir lo que quiere con sus $75.
Precious metals.
I'm gonna buy toys. Captain.
Oh, what kind of toys? Anything in mind?
For Spanish. I don't know.
No?
Silver coins.
Ian, Eric, what are you going to do with your $75 for my
Buy an iPod Touch.
Buy an iPod Touch. Too cool. Too cool. Well, you have some money in the bag, so I think you could do it. Excellent.
Me too.
Lauren, any idea what you're going to do with your $75 from Omanopa?
I'm gonna buy games for my iPod Touch.
Very nice. Sarah, what are you doing with Omanopa's money? Let me guess. Another tournament?
Shopping.
Adrian, what are you doing with Omanopa's money?
I'm going shopping on
Wait.
Monday.
Huh?
I'm going shopping on Monday.
Oh,
Thank you, Omanopa.
very nice.
Thank you.
I think everybody's going shopping. They're rich now. I didn't hear anybody saying they're putting it in their savings account.
I would, but I'm going shopping on Tuesday, Monday.
I bet it's not even recording.
It is recording. It says recording right on it. But I did mess up because I was holding the camera like this a couple of times. So I was holding the camera sideways for a little while.
You're mean, David.
Oma, the house is actually clean. La casa está muy bonita, muy limpia. Tuvimos a Sandra aquí porque cuando tú vienes yo trato de conseguir a Sandra.
to see my ring.
Oh, yes. Kristen, can you do the honors here?
Barefoot.
Here, you can, no, you just have to do this and hold the curtain.
Going barefoot outside.
Okay, guys. Can you see from there? Do you want to record the rink?
Yeah, pretty big
And
ring.
explain it to Oma?
Should I go out?
No, you don't have to. You're going to freeze.
Really?
You're going to freeze just if you hold it, or maybe just open the door. No, don't go out. Don't go out. You're going to get sick, Kristen. You're
It's
barefoot.
funny.
Come on in.
So, big rink, the entire backyard. We got some good hockey games going on here, mostly every day. We play for 2-3 hours straight. About 20 pucks on the rink right now. We're always shooting. Lots and lots of fun.
Roma, you can talk in Spanish.
El rink de hockey. El rink de hockey con muchísimos pucks. Y me estoy poniendo bueno como los canadienses. Igual que Ariana. Eric me ganó en una carrera hace unos días. Me jodí la rodilla. And Uncle Dave had a pretty good laugh about it, huh?
Oma's gonna be pissed off, man.
Oma's gonna be...
Because she said...
I think the video's gonna be too big to do anything, but if we don't stop soon.
We better